In this video, I'll go over how to fix awaiting scripts in your FiveM server. First, go and check the server status. Make sure the FiveM server is online and not undergoing maintenance or crashes. You can verify with the server host or the server's status page if available. Next, go and restart FiveM and the server, so close FiveM completely, restart the server if you have access or ask the admin to restart it, and then reopen FiveM and try connecting it again. Next, what you can try is go and clear the cache. Navigate to the FiveM application data folder, which you can do by typing in the following, and then delete the cache folder except the game folder. Now from there, go and restart FiveM. Next, verify the game files. So open Steam, right-click GTA 5, then Properties, Local Files, and verify integrity of game files. Corrupted or missing files can cause scripts to hang on loading. Next, go and check resource or script errors. If you have access to the server console, look for resource or script errors. Make sure all required scripts and dependencies are installed and up to date. Next, update FiveM. Ensure you are running the latest FiveM client version. Outdated clients can fail to properly load server scripts. Next, disable conflicting mods. So temporarily remove or disable any mods or custom scripts that might conflict with server scripts. Then try joining the server after disabling them. And finally, what you can try is contacting the server admin. So if the issue persists, reach out to the server admin. They may need to check the server-side scripts or provide a clean version of the server resources. So that's how to fix awaiting scripts in a FiveM server. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.